You are going to love 2021 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, rear quarter windows, power, traction control, stability control, starter type, motor generator, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.